Hagalai tarik naitung arhaja arpaulai Menteri Rangba akajala ukonat ki sangma uledon benta hagajing dap shisnam pura ka Yes Meghalaya Pinewood Hotel Banquet Hall. Habakaran hagani gajing elang Menteri Rangba ulaong bakidon shibuan ki sing samla ki balatre ki kam ban penbhai ki samla haka imlang salang wat klam kanu gajing erap ne gajing kershan nang nuru. Ulaong baya ke program Yes Meghalaya la penyat ban kershan ya ki sing samla lingba ke Chief Minister's Secretariat Hendai Menta and IT Shakatanat Sports and Youth Affairs Department, ulaong bakaniga program kinong sengkam lajong kinong ruai nong tem, kinong yalekai bat kinong snaplim, kinyo ya kajing kershan. Ladon lang hakaniga sengi Menteri Katanat yalekai kajela ubak syakliar warjri nalor kiwei.
And finally, the beginner's career coaching.
Filmmakers, maybe politicians also, I don't know. In this program where we will look at people who are good at what they do and showcase them to the world, and so that they can then guide others also and be heroes and be icons for others to be motivated. And I think this is a very important part of really pushing and motivating the youth. I think there are so many people. We saw these 4 wonderful singers who were singing here just now, and so that they can improve their quality, whether it's equipments or different kind of training or whatever support we can give. But we strongly feel that there is a huge scope for filmmaking and a great opportunity to create large employment in the movie industry. And we feel that we have missed out that part, but I'm happy to inform you, as I said, that not only will we support the filmmakers, but we will also ensure that we create different movie theatres. We build different movie theatres in different districts so that you can showcase the movies that you will be making, and that will promote the local talent that we have. So like that, tell you, please, register, be active. We will be there to support you. I know the positive energy that you have inside you, and I would wish that we as a government are there to support you, to bring out that energy, to bring out a positive energy that is there in the system. And that's really what the purpose is. Can you imagine if there are 10,000 of these groups, and if each group has got 20 members in it? You're talking of 2 lakh youth doing different programs in sports, different programs in environmental related issues, different programs in music, different programs in social issues that we have. And let me tell you, that can make a huge difference. Financial support that we need to give. And this again stems out from the fact that the government of Meghalaya in the last 5 years, and more so now, is working in a very, very planned and very, very strategic manner. And a lot of you will not realize it as we work, because you see bits and pieces of it happening. But for us as policymakers, we see the big picture and the large picture that's in front of us. I mean, just to give you a small example, which a lot of you will not notice, but it means a lot, is that our young and dynamic minister, Shakliar, he is holding the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. But if you also notice, he is also holding the Labour Department. And he is also holding the Registration Department. Now, why is he doing that? Is because all the 3 are connected to the youth. If you look at the sports department, of course, sports and all the other activities that we do for the youth is obviously centric around the sports. But then, all the skill development programs that we do are all done by Labour Department. And hence, the sports department cannot and should not function without the skill department being there. And hence, Labour Department is also with him. And he is handling all the different skill programs that are there. And as he works towards different programs, and as we work towards different programs, and behind all of these activities, there's a policy behind it. There's a reason why we are doing this. We were just discussing with the minister that why don't we have some kind of different activities at the state level, which will then be connected to a grassroots program. For example, we were discussing just now that why can't we have, say, football? Why don't we have football leagues in different constituencies or different regions of the state? And then after that, the regional competition can take place, and then there could be a regional league that could take place. And then there could be a league that will take place at the state level. where the different clubs can then compete.
Young Pontiac Sports, Social and Cultural Organization.
It's not like we say tomorrow we want to provide this much. It's very easy. Things are not that easy. Even though as a government we face many challenges, we face many obstacles and problems. But I can assure you that under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, that we as a government are dedicated in providing the best service to the people of our state and especially the youth, in providing them with the best service. So